Oh, my wrists, they hurt. I was surfing all day yesterday and today, and I'm super tired. But I just had to go out and do some wheelies before the sunset. That did not sound good. My rear suspension. Oh my gosh, dudes, I got it. I don't know what happened or what I did. Earlier today, I was like not having a good day with wheelies. I was not able to do them. That was the best drop back I've ever done. It just clicked. I don't know why or how. Look at that. Look at that. That was kind of jerky, but still, that was like second gear. I was starting to slow down so much. That was pretty sick. I am very proud of myself. Try first gear. Yeah, pretty jerky, but alright, first gear again. It just it almost feels like there's more of a lag in first gear. I think I'm gonna start making a video. I don't know how much battery life I have because I've been riding around for a little bit. But what's up, dudes? We're just totally messing around, working on wheelies. Stoppies too. Having a good time out here. I'm getting the hang of things. Ah man, what a fun bike. It just feels so good. Took a minute to get used to, but now that I'm used to it, it feels so good in wheelies and stuff. Also, I just put a new old tire on, so I'm trying to conserve it a little bit. Try not to do as many skids and stuff, because the one that came on this bike was showing threads already after a couple weeks. So this is a tire that I took off from the Tuono because I got a hole in it. There it is, you can see it right there. Big old hole. It's holding air though. I patched it with like a bicycle patch, and it seems to be working so far, knock on wood. Okay, let's try a knee knocker. Go in the other direction. It's slightly uphill, slightly around the turn, but it's a slight right-hand turn, so I might be able to make it in a knee knocker. Let's see, shall we? Let's do this. Oh, go. Doesn't want to shift in a second. There we go. Came up a little faster than I thought. This is a completely stock 636, by the way. Definitely not designed for stunting or anything like that. There's just not enough room. Well, anyways, let's go mess around town, shall we then? This is spent front fork. Still has like no fork fluid. I haven't even filled it up yet because I'm just afraid it's gonna be gushing fork fluid everywhere because the fork seals are blown. So the front suspension is very, very springy. Like I'm not even comfortable ripping through canyons that hard because it just hits a bump and it's like a pogo stick. Very bad. Very deadly in the right circumstance. It'll just bounce your front wheel right out from under you. Oh, yep, Camaro. Go for it, Camaro. Yep. I saw you, but thank you for stopping. There was a highway patrol helicopter flying around a second ago. I saw it, but it went... Ooh, second gen. It went that direction, which is where we're going, but hopefully they went to like the city and they're not gonna bug us too hard. Man, I'm just feeling it right now. Look, I made that turn and everything. Look at those pipes. Look at those pipes on this 350Z. Those big old pipes. We're going this way because heck all this traffic. Thing with these 600s is they feel so good in wheelies because they're so toned down low end. They have nothing low end, which is what makes them so smooth. But that means also when you're setting the wheelie down and you're going slow, you have no power to like help absorb the impact. It's usually like on my Tuono, I put down a wheelie and I just throttle a little bit and I can set it down super smooth. This thing is not that way, which is probably why the fork seals are blown out already. My bike is just wobbling. Wonder why that is. My rear tire's not balanced good enough. That's weird. It was like a controlled wobble though. It wasn't out of control. It was just wobbling side to side and it would come back every time. It was weird. That dude said, yeah, so I had to turn around and do it again. There we go. What a fun bike. I kind of understand why Jigsaw Brad didn't want a 1000 for so long. This 600 is enough. It feels so good in the wheelies and stunts, and it's got plenty of power to go fast, have fun, flick around traffic. But owning 1000, I also know why he went to 1000, because there's just nothing like a 1000. Those things are so fast and fun. They have so much torque and power, and if you know how to ride them and can control them, why even own a 636? When Gixxer can wheelie a Gixxer 1000 just as good as this, if not better, just for how much he rides the thing. Trying to make a left turn. That girl liked it. Love you dudes, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this short little video. Love you dudes. Check out my other stuff too. Later.